Homemade custard? It's really wonderful. It's better 1000 times than the powdered custard that we buy from the market. Let me show you how to make it. I'll start with the ingredients. I'll make custard with biscuit, that's why I'm going to need biscuits, milk, sugar, flour, cocoa powder, and vanilla. At the beginning, I'm going to add the milk. I needed 2 kilos of milk. After that, I'm going to add the sugar, the flour, 1.5 cups flour. I added these ingredients when the stove was closed. I'll add vanilla and I'll whisk the whole ingredients together, and I'll still whisking till the liquid or the mixture is thick like this. I put the first layer from the biscuit in the dish, and after that I'm going to put the custard. It should be warm. After that, I'm going to put the second layer from the biscuits on the custard. And when I'm finished, I'm going to make the custard with cocoa. I'll sift the cocoa because I don't want it to change to a balls in the custard. I should still whisking until the cocoa powder is disappear in the mixture. I'll still whisking until I get the chocolate custard that I want. I'm going to add some milk because the cocoa powder gives thickness for the mixture. And now I'm going to put the chocolate custard or the cocoa custard on the second layer from the biscuit till I cover it all. Now I'm almost finished. It's time for decoration. Of course, you can choose how you decorate your custard. Before that, you should put the dish at the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or for 1 night will be perfect. The next step is I'm going to decorate with sparkles, chocolate sparkles, coconut will be tasty too on the custard, some almond or any other kind of nuts will be tasty too on the custard. You can choose what you prefer, colorful sparkles and crushed biscuits, the same kind of biscuits that I used before. And now it's finished and the dish is ready to eat. It's colorful and wonderful at the same time. It's really like a picture. I'm going to cut a piece to taste it. It was really yummy and tasty. If you like the recipe today, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll write the ingredients in the description box under the video. And if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments. I will be so happy to answer it. See you soon in a new video and a new recipe. And I wish you to be good and be happy. Bye bye.